We all know pH indicators can be used to test whether a solution is acidic or basic. And what is neutralization? We can do it with the help of simple things available in our home, or we can say in the kitchen. Let's do this simple experiment. For that, what's an indicator? An indicator is a substance which changes its color when solution become acidic or basic. Here what we have taken, this is an indicator which indicates solution is acidic or basic. Lemon juice is acidic, acid solution, and I have taken soap water as basic solution. I have added some lemon juice in one bowl and soap solution in the other. Now we will test whether it's acidic and basic, or this is acidic or basic. So what I have to do, I'll add some turmeric solution in the soap solution. Its color is changed. Now I add this to the acidic solution. No color is changed. What a surprise. We can see adding turmeric in soap solution, or we can say soap water, it changes the color into red orange, but no change in color in lemon juice, we can see. So turmeric is an indicator that only changes color when added to base and no effect when added to acid. Now we can add some lemon juice to the base solution . What happened? Its color disappeared. Why so? Because soap solution is a base. When we add AC to it, the solution becomes neutral. That is, process is called neutralization. This process is neutralization, means the solution again turned into neutral solution. We can repeat this experiment with the other things present in the kitchen at home. So for that we can take vinegar as an acid, and you can say sodium bicarbonate like baking soda as a base, and repeat this experiment with these two things which are used in our kitchen.